What is Cardiospermum halicacabum? Hello, I'm Ferg, and today I want to share my fascination with a unique plant called Cardiospermum halicacabum. Commonly known as balloon vine, heart pea, or love in a puff, this plant has captured my interest with its intriguing appearance and versatile uses. Cardiospermum halicacabum is a climbing plant native to tropical and subtropical regions, recognized for its delicate, papery capsules that resemble balloons. These capsules contain seeds with a distinctive heart-shaped mark, which is why it's often associated with the notion of love. This plant has a rich history in traditional medicine across various cultures. It is reputed for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, and is commonly used to treat ailments like rheumatism, skin conditions, and digestive issues. As someone who loves gardening and exploring the medicinal potential of plants, Cardiospermum halicacabum has been a rewarding addition to my collection. How to grow Cardiospermum halicacabum? Growing Cardiospermum halicacabum has been a delightful experience, and I'd love to share some tips on how you can cultivate this plant in your garden. Planting requirements. First, choose a sunny location as Cardiospermum halicacabum thrives in full sunlight. The soil should be well drained and fertile, rich in organic matter. If your garden soil is heavy clay or too sandy, consider amending it with compost to improve its texture and fertility. Planting seeds. You can start by planting seeds directly in the ground after the last frost date, or begin them indoors a few weeks earlier. To enhance germination, soak the seeds in water for 24 hours before planting. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in the soil, spacing them 12 inches apart. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate, which usually takes around 2 to 3 weeks. Caring for seedlings. Once the seedlings are established, they require minimal care. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells, and provide a trellis or support for the vines to climb. This plant can grow quite vigorously, so make sure to guide the vines and trim them if they start to overrun other plants. Fertilization. Cardiospermum halicacabum is not particularly demanding when it comes to fertilization. An occasional feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season should suffice. Over-fertilization can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers and seeds, so it's best to fertilize sparingly. How to care for Cardiospermum halicacabum? Caring for Cardiospermum halicacabum involves regular maintenance to ensure healthy growth and prolific flowering. Pruning and training. Regular pruning helps manage the plant's growth and encourages more blooms. Trim back any dead or overly vigorous growth to maintain a tidy appearance and prevent the plant from becoming invasive. Pest and disease management. This plant is relatively resistant to pests and diseases, but it's always good to keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids and spider mites. If you notice any infestation, a simple solution of water and mild soap can help control these pests without harming the plant. Winter care. In regions with cold winters, Cardiospermum halicacabum can be grown as an annual. If you wish to save seeds for the next growing season, collect the seed pods before the first frost. In warmer climates, the plant can survive year-round with minimal winter protection. How to propagate Cardiospermum halicacabum? Propagating Cardiospermum halicacabum is primarily done through seeds, as it is the most effective method. Seed collection. To collect seeds, wait until the balloon-like capsules turn brown and dry out. Carefully open the capsules and extract the seeds. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place until you're ready to plant them. Seed germination. For a head start on the growing season, you can germinate the seeds indoors. Plant them in small pots filled with seed starting mix and keep them in a warm, bright location. Transplant the seedlings outdoors once the danger of frost has passed. What is Cardiospermum halicacabum seed extract? Cardiospermum halicacabum seed extract is an intriguing aspect of this plant, especially in the realm of natural remedies. Extraction process. The seeds are harvested and processed to extract the beneficial compounds. This extract is renowned for its anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and anti-allergic properties, making it a popular ingredient in herbal medicine and skincare products. Uses and benefits. The extract is often used to treat conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and arthritis. Its soothing properties help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, offering a natural alternative to conventional medications. Additionally, the extract is used in various cosmetic formulations for its ability to calm irritated skin and promote healing. Conclusion: exploring the world of Cardiospermum halicacabum has been an enriching experience for me. From its charming appearance in the garden to its medicinal benefits, this plant offers a multitude of uses. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone interested in natural remedies, I encourage you to discover the wonders of Cardiospermum halicacabum for yourself. Happy gardening!